You just spent 45 minutes cleaning a spreadsheet. Merge cells spanning 3 columns. Dates written 4 different ways. A column labeled MISC that contains invoice numbers, client names, and someone's lunch order. This is a real spreadsheet. I still have it. And I ran an experiment. I fed the same nightmare file to ChatGPT and Claude to see which one could actually help. Not clean demo data. Real accounting chaos. The kind of files that make you question whether your predecessor was trying to sabotage you. 30 different spreadsheet tasks. 2 AI tools. 1 clear winner for some tasks and the other tool for completely different ones. The results genuinely surprised me. Because here's what nobody tells you about AI and spreadsheets. Both tools will confidently give you answers, but one of them deleted an entire revenue column without mentioning it. If I hadn't checked the row counts manually, I would have sent corrupted numbers to a client. So yeah, which AI you use matters enormously. Let's start with the basics. Both ChatGPT and Claude have been marketing themselves as spreadsheet helpers, but they approach the problem completely differently. ChatGPT uses Python behind the scenes. When you upload a spreadsheet, it writes code to analyze your data. It's calculating things itself, not just helping you write formulas. Claude takes a different approach. It doesn't calculate formulas itself. It helps you write formulas that Excel executes. More transparent, but also more limited. This matters more than you'd think. The Python approach is more powerful. ChatGPT can do things Excel formulas can't express, but if the code has bugs, it can fail silently. And then there's context window. This is where Claude has a genuine technical advantage that makes a real difference for large files. Claude's context window exceeds 200,000 tokens. That's roughly 150,000 words, enough to hold an entire large spreadsheet in memory at once. ChatGPT's window is significantly smaller. For big spreadsheets, this means Claude can see everything simultaneously. ChatGPT has to chunk the data, process it in pieces, which can cause issues with cross-references. So I designed a test. 30 real-world spreadsheet tasks organized into 4 categories: data cleaning, formula writing, crosstab analysis, and visualization. Every task came from actual work I've done. Real files from real clients, with identifying information removed. No synthetic test data. Let's start with data cleaning, specifically address standardization. I gave both tools a column of 50 addresses in various formats and asked them to standardize everything. Claude handled 47 out of 50 correctly. ChatGPT got 41. The difference? Edge cases. Addresses with suite numbers, PO boxes, international formats. Claude caught more of the weird ones. But here's the thing. ChatGPT was faster. It processed the entire cleaning task in about 30 seconds. Claude took nearly 2 minutes to think through each edge case. Speed versus thoroughness. That trade-off showed up again and again across the 30 tasks. Neither tool is universally better. It depends what you're optimizing for. Formula writing was more nuanced. I asked both tools to write a SumIFs formula for a sales report with multiple conditions, product category, date range, and region. Both got to working answers. But Claude's formula included comments explaining each parameter. ChatGPT's just gave you the formula and assumed you'd figure it out. Claude writes cleaner formulas with better documentation. ChatGPT gets to working answers faster but cuts corners on edge cases. That pattern kept repeating. Now, nested formulas. This is where spreadsheets get genuinely complicated. Formulas, the kind of thing that makes your head hurt. I asked both tools to write a formula that calculates commission based on sales tier, tenure, and regional bonuses. 4 levels of nesting required. Claude built it step by step, explaining each layer before combining them. The final formula worked on the first try and handled every test case I threw at it. ChatGPT gave me a working formula too, but it missed a boundary condition. Sales of exactly $10,000 fell through the cracks. Didn't trigger the error, just calculated wrong. This is the silent failure problem. The formula runs, Excel doesn't throw an error, the output looks plausible. But it's wrong. And you never know unless you manually tested edge cases. Crosstab analysis is where Claude's context window really shines. I gave both tools a workbook with 12 related sheets and asked for a summary that pulled data from all of them. Claude could reference all 12 sheets simultaneously. It found connections I hadn't noticed, a customer ID that appeared in 3 different contexts with slightly different spellings. ChatGPT had to process the sheets in batches. It found the obvious connections but missed the subtle inconsistencies that Claude caught by seeing everything at once. Now for the part where ChatGPT genuinely wins: visualization. If you need charts, especially charts you can paste into a presentation, ChatGPT is significantly better. I asked both tools to create a sales trend chart from quarterly data. ChatGPT produced something presentation ready in under a minute. Clean axes, proper labels, professional color palette. Claude's chart output needed work. The data was accurate, but the formatting was basic. You'd spend another 10 minutes making it look good enough to share. This makes sense when you understand the tools. ChatGPT's Python backend includes data visualization libraries. Claude is fundamentally a text model helping you with text-based tasks. Let's talk about the merge cell nightmare. Every accountant I know sends files with merged cells spanning multiple columns. It's technically bad practice, but it happens constantly. I fed both tools an invoice spreadsheet, where the header row merged cells across 3 columns, and some data rows merged cells inconsistently. Claude identified the merged cells, explained why they were problematic, and suggested a specific unmerging strategy. It even warned me about data that might get lost in the process. ChatGPT tried to process the file as is and got confused about which columns contained which data. The output had revenues in the wrong rows. Classic silent failure. Here's the pattern I found across all 30 tasks. ChatGPT is faster and better for visual outputs. Claude is more thorough and better for complex text-heavy analysis. For text extraction from spreadsheets, pulling comments, synthesizing notes columns, interpreting freeform data, Claude is genuinely better. It understands context that ChatGPT often misses. For automated summaries and quick calculations, ChatGPT is faster and often good enough. If you need a pivot table summary in 30 seconds, it delivers. Both companies have launched dedicated Excel integrations recently. This changes the workflow significantly. You working inside Excel, not copying data back and forth. Anthropic launched Cowork in February 2026. It embeds Claude directly inside Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Sheets. There's a dedicated spreadsheet skill built into the interface. A month later, OpenAI launched ChatGPT for Excel beta with new financial data integrations. The arms race in spreadsheet AI is genuinely heating up. So which one should you actually use? After 30 tests, my honest answer is both, but for very different tasks. If you need quick calculations, charts, or straightforward formula generation, you might want to start with ChatGPT. It's faster for tasks where speed matters more than edge case coverage. If you're working with large datasets, multi-sheet workbooks, or anything text-heavy, consider trying Claude first. That context window genuinely matters for complex files. Here's my number 1 recommendation. Always verify AI-generated formulas in a test row before applying to your full dataset. Both tools make errors. Trust but verify. For the messiest spreadsheets, try both tools on the same task and compare outputs. The winner often depends on your specific data. There's no universal answer. If you're doing bulk processing, the same operation across dozens of sheets, look into GPT for work. It handles batch operations better than chat-based interfaces. The key debate in this space is philosophical. Should AI calculate things itself, or should it help you write formulas that your tool executes? The calculation approach is more powerful but opaque. The formula approach is more transparent but limited. Neither is wrong. They're different tools for different needs. For mission-critical spreadsheets, anything involving money you're sending to clients, I lean toward Claude's more cautious approach. The warnings and documentation are worth the extra time. For quick internal analysis where speed matters more than documentation, ChatGPT's faster output works fine. Just don't send those results to anyone without double-checking. If you found this comparison useful, hit subscribe. We do systematic tool comparisons like this every week. Real tests, real data, honest results. One thing both tools struggle with, and this surprised me, is understanding implicit relationships. Things that are obvious to a human but aren't stated explicitly in the data. I had a spreadsheet where Q1 in one column meant first quarter and Q1 in another meant quality level 1. Neither tool asked for clarification, both just assumed. The lesson? These tools are powerful assistants, not replacements for understanding your own data. You still need to know what Q1 means in context. Price-wise, both tools cost roughly the same for their pro tiers, around $20 a month. The Excel add-ins have their own pricing, but the chat interfaces are comparable. If you're choosing one, consider starting with whichever fits your typical workflow. Heavy text extraction and big files? Claude. Quick calculations and charts? ChatGPT. But honestly, if spreadsheets are a significant part of your work, $20 a month for each tool is probably worth it. The time savings are substantial. Here's your homework. Take that one nightmare spreadsheet you've been avoiding. We all have one, and try both tools on it. See which one handles your specific mess better. In my testing, the winner varied by task type. Claude won data cleaning and multi-sheet analysis. ChatGPT won visualization and quick summaries. Neither swept every category. And that's actually good news. Competition is making both tools better. Every few months, the capabilities expand. What I tested today might be outdated by next quarter. The bottom line? Stop asking which AI is better for spreadsheets. Start asking which AI is better for this specific spreadsheet task. The answer changes depending on what you need. Both ChatGPT and Claude are genuinely useful. Both make mistakes, and knowing when to use which, that's the real skill nobody's teaching. I'm keeping both subscriptions. My accountant's merge cell nightmares aren't going away anytime soon. And now at least I know which tool to reach for first.